Okay, tap to open. Here we go. You got hero cards. Let's use them. Right. Tap heroes. Okay, let's read about her a little bit. Let's see. An upgrade will make your twinkle stronger. Upgrade to 50 coins. We have 750. Yo. I feel powerful. Let's win another match. Let's win more premium. Play. That's so sorry. I want to like read the screen, but I guess next go around. Alright, the forge. So like in this area, like in the middle area, when you first get here, it's pretty easy. But then when you go to that, say, oh no, it like had a malfunction. It's okay. Just go back in. Yeah, this art is gorgeous. I wonder if you could like switch characters later. Even though I love Twinkle. Twinkle. Sorry. Become Mr. Locks. I call him Dread. Mr. Dreadlocks. Mr. Dread. That's what we're getting pretty clever at these names. Okay, Mr. Dread. Okay, here we go. Bring it on. But yeah, this area in the middle is pretty easy. Cable Fall Striker. Got that big bag. Oh. What's the shit? Let's see what that does. The glove? Kind of like wasted it. Hold on. Oh, no way. That's so cool. So if you like press that button to this one to the right, you get like zooped up into the air. Yep. Where'd the other guy go? That's crazy. Oh no, I was trying to get out of there. Oh my god. This is we can like launch it. So I think Striker launches you up into the air. Someone is healing, but that's it. You feel like indestructible. The souls drop the tissue. Okay, go, drop the journal stones. Okay. Boop. Okay. What kind of victory? Let's go!